Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and integrate your WooCommerce store with Zapier. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WooCommerce platform that you are using. If you're using WordPress, you're going to go to wordpress.com, and from here we can get started. If you have not already set up your WooCommerce store right here, you can do so by going into the plugins section. And once you open up the plugins section, you can go and get started setting up all your WooCommerce plugins that are going to enable you to run your store. Once you've done that, now we can go ahead and get started integrating with Zapier. So basically what we're going to do is go to the official WooCommerce website right here at WooCommerce.com and go ahead and open up this extensions marketplace at the top of the screen. This is going to enable us to take a look at all the extensions that we have right here and that we can buy, and we're going to go ahead and use the search bar right here and search for Zapier. So you can see once you search for Zap, it's going to give us this extension right here, which is the Zapier integration. That's going to enable us to go ahead and click on it and open up the Zapier extensions right here. And from here we can get started buying it. You can take a look at the prices right here if you want a 1-year plan or a 2-year plan, and you can buy now. So basically by clicking buy now, this is going to enable you to buy the extension, and once you've bought it, you can go ahead and get started integrating it with your store by following the steps and attaching it to your store you have set up right here on WordPress, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.